What's up, guys? Coach Garrett here, and in today's Whiteboard Talk workout breakdown, we have starting out with an 18-minute E3MOM. So that's 6 sets every 3 minutes, and it's going to be focused on weightlifting. So the tactical will be doing 2 reps of the Snatch Balance, then into 2 Hang Snatches. Then you will finish off that set with accessory work with 10 banded lateral raises and then 10 seated tees with a band. On the practical side, we are going to use a dumbbell or kettlebell and do 2 high pulls, then 2 power snatches, and then 2 overhead squats, all with a pair of dumbbell or kettlebells that you choose. And then you will also finish off with the accessory work of 10 banded lateral raises and then 10 banded seated tees. Once you complete all that technical weightlifting work, we're going to go into work capacity, which is a 12-minute alternating every minute on the minute. You're going to do a minute of devil's presses, a minute of step-ups with the dumbbells, and then a minute of 360 rotational rocking. You're going to do that for 2 rounds, straight through. Then you're going to take a break after the second round is complete. So after 6 minutes in, rest for 2 minutes, and then you will do another 2 rounds of devil's presses, dumbbell step-ups, and 360 rotational rocking. Then if you got time, we have a bonus gains for you, which is going to be the Cannonball Complex, and you will do 3 rounds of that. All right, guys? And then that is the workout for today, and let's go into the movement demos.